Wow, that was super helpful.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I've got a short video for you today. This past winter, I reached out to Tim Thornton from 314 RC Crawlers because he does these rear steer knobs for a variety of different RC controllers, transmitters. What that allows you to do is control the rear axle independent of the front axle. So as you're sitting there crawling, if you decide that as you're trying to turn the front and you need to slowly turn the rear just a little bit one way or the other, you can do that independent of the front. A lot of other setups that you guys may have seen have come from like the stock AX24 from Axial, where you get a 3-position switch where you get left, center, and right. And that's the only positions that you get. You get full throw of all those options, whereas this allows you to just minutely adjust your axle as you see fit. So like with the GT5 controller, you can see the purple knob there and then the one that electrical tape over top of it. Yeah, you can use those channels to independently control the rear. That is an option. It's just this makes it super handy to be able to get to as you're driving. So if I didn't have my hand holding the camera right now, filming this, I could have my right hand controlling the front axle while I have my thumb controlling the rear axle, and then obviously you got your throttle. So that would allow me to be able to easily adjust this as I'm driving it. If you guys are interested, I'll leave his information down in the description below so you guys can check him out. 314 RC Crawlers, Tim Thornton. Full disclosure, he did give me a discount in order to make this video. However, I have used this for a long time now. This one, I actually had a friend locally here do this one for me. I didn't have Tim do it, but he does these for the GT5 as well. And like I said, plenty of other transmitters too. Just reach out to him and he can let you know if he does those transmitters as well, but I know he does a variety of different ones. So I got my beautiful wife here running my H10 Optic. She's running it because, as I'm sure plenty of you know, trying to drive and film a rear steer rig is pretty difficult. So she's gonna show some of these lines. I'm gonna try and show how she's managing Nice job. So it's really simple to use. It's just a nice little knob. So this little triangle here, there's like a detent that lets you know when you're on center, so you know how far you need to throw your axle one way or the other. Nice job. So here we've got my wife running our GT5 that's got the same rear steer knob as she attempts a pretty crazy line, super duper slow. So she can manipulate where that rear axle goes at the turn of a finger. She's also driving for the first time her brand new Robskii Fab Trail Rat 2 XL. This is kind of the first shakedown run of it. So we've got a little bit of a transmission clicking going on. Got to figure out why it's doing that. It only does it under a little bit of a load. But anyhow, that's neither here nor there for this video. Nice and slow. Wow, very nicely done, babe. Good driving. well, that's going to do it for today's video. Big shout out to 314 RC Crawlers for hooking me up with a deal on this rear steer knob. Like I said, if you guys are looking for one of these types of knobs, you can get a kit from him, I believe, or you can send your controller to him and he will do the install for you. So like I said, check out the description below for his info, and thanks again for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video. See ya.